Restarting my day trading journey, learning from my past mistakes. I know that trading is a risky business. When I decided to do this, I wasn't thinking ahead to what would happen next. However, I learned a lot through my experience, and in this video, I'm going to share with you all what I would have done if I could start trading all over again. If there was a do-over, these are the things that I would do instead. Watch the entire video and learn from my experience so you'll know what to do right when it comes to trading. If I had to start all over, my approach to trading would be to first focus on saving up more money. These are the things that I would gladly do to have more money. I would be willing to work hard, even 7 days a week and overtime to increase my savings. I would then use this money to fund my trading account. While it's possible to start trading with a smaller amount, such as $300 or $2,000, having more capital to begin with would be advantageous. Next, I would search my house for items that I no longer use and consider selling them. Look for unused items in your house and sell them on eBay or Craigslist to generate additional funds for your trading account. Then the next step I would take is to cut down on buying unnecessary items like brand new clothes and gadgets. While treating oneself occasionally is fine, it's important to reduce spending on unnecessary things. As an aspiring entrepreneur, I should be willing to make financial sacrifices. So in summary, saving more money, selling unused items, and being mindful of unnecessary spending would be the first 3 things I would do to start from scratch in trading. The second step I would take is to find an expert in the field. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. If someone else has found success, chances are their methods could work for me too, with hard work. Following someone who's already successful in the field I want to enter is the fastest way to achieve success. If I aspire to be a trader, I would seek out someone who's actively trading and learn from their skills and knowledge of the market in a deep way. It's crucial to find an expert who knows what they're doing, as it can greatly accelerate your path to success. The third step I would take is to remind myself that I am in the learning phase. In trading, there are 4 different stages: the learning stage, the testing phase, the profitable stage, and finally, the mastery stage. It's important to acknowledge that I'm still in the learning phase and not to rush the process, as each stage has its own significance and learning opportunities. During the learning stage and the testing stage, you'll be focused on mastering a new trading strategy. This involves learning all the intricacies of the strategy and testing it out to gain experience. Many people mistakenly believe that adopting a new strategy will make them a master trader overnight. However, that's not how it works. You still need to put in the effort to learn and understand the market thoroughly. Just like learning any other skill, becoming proficient in trading takes time and effort. It's not realistic to expect to become a trading expert overnight or within a short period of time. Remind yourself to be patient and not rush the learning process. Instead of trying to force things, focus on learning the right way and taking the necessary time to gain a solid understanding of the market. So the fourth step I would take is to spend more time on the demo account. When I first started out, I was eager to make money and get out of my current situation, so I quickly transitioned from demo to live trading after just a week. However, that resulted in significant losses, as I was not fully prepared. I kept going live and losing money repeatedly. So if I were to start over, I would spend more time trading in the demo account. A demo account allows you to build your skills and get familiar with the market. I would also treat the demo account as if it were my live account. In the past, I would risk large amounts like $2,000 or $3,000 per trade in the demo account because it was just plain money. But in reality, I won't be taking such risks in my real trading account. So if in my real trading account I'll be risking $100 per trade, I'll do the same in my demo account. I'll treat the demo account with the same level of seriousness as my live account. Additionally, I'll extend the amount of time I spend trading on the demo account to further hone my skills and gain confidence before transitioning to live trading. So the fifth thing I want to do is review my losing trades every week. This is something I neglected to do in the beginning. I used to hope that the next week would be better without analyzing my losing trades, but now I know better. I'll make it a priority to study my losing trades and learn from them. This is a common mistake among traders, especially new ones. I believe that about 95% of traders who are watching this right now did not review their losing trades. It's surprising how many traders skip this very important step. They don't want to put in the effort to analyze their losing trades and figure out what went wrong. They don't try to understand if they were late in entering a trend or made other mistakes. But trust me, analyzing losing trades is crucial for skill building and becoming a better trader. If I had to start over, I would definitely make it a priority to review and learn from my losing trades. The next important step I would take is to study my winning trades. Just like analyzing my losing trades, studying my winners is equally important. The reason is that winning trades are unique and special. When you can identify those winning setups on the charts, you can become a skilled trader who can recognize those opportunities in real time. Understanding what worked well in your winning trades can provide valuable insights and help you improve your trading strategies for better results in the future. Many traders tend to forget why they're winning when they're on a winning streak. However, it's also important to study and understand the reasons behind your winning trades. By knowing your best setups and understanding why you were successful in the past, you can become a better trader. It's equally important to analyze your losing trades to identify areas for improvement. By combining the knowledge from both your winning and losing trades, you can refine your trading strategies and increase your chances of consistent success in the markets. Another important aspect I would focus on is the process. Initially, I was too obsessed with making money and neglected the importance of following a well-defined trading process. I was rushing into trades without paying enough attention to what the market was telling me. I wasn't patiently waiting for the market to show me its direction. Instead, I was forcing my trades based on my impatience and desire for quick profits. However, I learned that solely focusing on money makes it difficult to take the next trade after a loss. It's a big help to have a solid trading process in place that includes proper risk management, patience, and discipline. By following a well-defined process, I can improve my trading decisions and increase my chances of success in the long run. Understand that if you constantly worry about the money, it can be challenging to take the next trade after a loss. For instance, if you lose $100, you may feel apprehensive about losing another $100, and that can affect your decision-making. Instead, focus on your trading process, and don't let the fear of losing money cloud your judgment. When you prioritize following a well-defined process, the profits will naturally follow. In the past, I made the mistake of being overly concerned about money, and I would exit trades prematurely due to fear of potential losses. If I were to start over, I would prioritize my trading process and trust that profits will come as a result of following a disciplined approach rather than being overly focused on the money aspect. Avoid trading solely based on money and letting fear or greed drive your decisions. In the past, I made the mistake of prioritizing money over my trading process. I would exit trades prematurely, even though my strategy indicated otherwise, out of fear of potential losses. If I were to start over, I would remind myself to stop thinking about the money and instead focus on following my well-defined trading process. Trusting the strategy and being patient with the trades according to the plan is crucial, rather than making impulsive decisions based solely on monetary concerns. By prioritizing the process and not letting money cloud my judgment, I can improve my trading and make more informed decisions. The eighth thing that I would do instead is to study and understand market structure. While it's true that the trend is your friend, there are times when the trend may not be favorable. Recognize when the trend is about to end, rather than blindly following it. This was a mistake I made when I first started trading. I was solely focused on finding trends and failed to realize that the market can behave in various ways beyond just trending. It's important to have a broader understanding of market structure, including the ability to recognize potential trend reversals, consolidations, and range markets. By studying and understanding market structure, I would be better equipped to make informed trading decisions and adapt to different market conditions. When I analyzed a market, I now look for 5 key things. Firstly, I check for any ongoing trends. Secondly, I observe if the market is in a ranging phase. Thirdly, I assess if there is a breakout occurring. Fourthly, I determine if the market is pulling back for a potential continuation. Lastly, I keep an eye out for the signs of an impending reversal. I've learned to ask myself how many times I've entered a trade based on a trend, only to have the market suddenly reverse on me. But considering these different aspects of market behavior, I can make more informed trading decisions and be better prepared for potential market changes. Instead of just blindly following the mantra, "the trend is your friend," I now focus on studying those 5 different aspects of the market in real time. It helps me make better informed trading decisions, as the market is not solely about trends. It's also about other factors such as ranges, breakouts, pullbacks, and potential reversals. That's pretty much everything I would do instead if I could start trading all over again. So to recap, the first 3 steps I would take are focus on building up my trading capital. These would involve saving up money through extra work, selling unneeded items around the house, and cutting out unnecessary expenses. These actions would help me accumulate the funds needed to start or grow my trading account and ensure that I'm financially prepared for my trading endeavors. The second step I would take is to seek out an experienced expert in trading. Learning from someone who has already found success in the field can significantly accelerate my own learning curve. If the expert offers a training program or any educational resources, I would be willing to invest in them. The third step is to remind myself to stay patient and not rush. I'm in a learning phase, and it's important to stay calm and composed. The market will always be there, and I need to focus on learning the market in the right way without feeling rushed or pressured. The fourth step on my list would be to dedicate more time to practicing on a demo account. I would stop rushing and focus on building up my skills, knowing that once I've owned them, the profits will come automatically. I would treat my demo account as if it were my live account, taking it seriously and learning from my mistakes. The fifth step is to carefully review all my losing trades, understand why I lost, and ensure I don't repeat the same mistakes. By studying my losers, I can avoid making repetitive errors and improve my trading strategy. The sixth step on my list would be to analyze my winning trades. I would take the time to understand why I'm winning so that when I see a similar setup in real time, I can confidently take the trade. The next step is to focus on the process of trading rather than obsessing over the money. By understanding that focusing on the process will lead to automatic profits, I can trade with a clear mindset. Lastly, I would prioritize studying market structure, as it's important to understand what the market is doing in real time. This knowledge will greatly contribute to becoming a more skilled and successful trader. So those are the important steps I should have taken when I first started trading. Again, I'm sharing this with all of you so that you'll know what to expect and what to do when you want to do trading. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.